Hello and welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Today, we will talk about a hot topic: highest hopes for Trump on immigration, lowest on unity. As Donald Trump gears up for a second term, immigration is front and center, with 68% of Americans expecting him to control illegal immigration. This issue has become both a defining strength and a polarizing debate, a critical focal point that needs to be addressed by Trump's administration. Supporters see stricter enforcement as a way to protect jobs and enhance security, while critics warn of labor shortages and humanitarian concerns. Striking a balance between security and economic needs will be crucial for any reforms to succeed. Industries like agriculture, construction, and healthcare rely heavily on immigrant labor. Restrictive immigration policies without pathways for legal immigration could leave businesses struggling to fill critical roles. The U.S. job market is already under pressure from automation, global competition, and post-pandemic recovery. Limiting workforce availability without alternative solutions may deepen these challenges. Public opinion on Trump's second term shows mixed expectations. While many believe he'll succeed in reducing crime and keeping the U.S. out of war, fewer expect progress in healthcare, education, or political unity. These lower expectations in healthcare are particularly concerning for a sector heavily reliant on immigrant labor, raising questions about how these policies will align with growing workforce needs. Immigration reform will shape not just Trump's legacy, but also the future of the American workforce. Whether through enforcement, pathways to legal immigration, or innovative outsourcing solutions, how these policies unfold will leave a lasting mark on the nation's economy and its identity. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.